Zit my people. Another cakes and gas geyser. Gonna open it up, have a look what's inside. Apparently it's not igniting. Fix the malfunctioning, whatever, if I can, if I've got the parts available, and take it from there. Okay, so to take this off, I push there, pull it back. But now I need to get the cables undone here. Oh, come on. Cables. Oh, they're already undone. Okay. Holy smokes. Look at that. Look at that. Damn. I really hope you weren't Groot's cousin or something. That would be horrible. Holy moly. Okay. So, obviously this had some more weed creeper growing beneath it, and it went a little bit bonkers, and it grew all inside here. Wowzers. This has gone into the burners. I don't know if you can see there. Holy smokes. That's bad. Alright, so my good people, this is exactly what you don't want growing out of your gas geyser. So, servicing your gas appliances is extremely important to avoid unwanted visitors or growth. You know what to do? Gastastic solutions for all your gas appliance solutions. Have a gastastic day. Be blessed!